This information comes from 8.4 practice work that you have, and this is going to help you record food intake for a day and analyze the nutritional value of your food. This specific information talks about serving sizes. So a serving size gives the amount of food that the information is about. For example, in Canada's Food Guide, a food guide serving is the suggested amount of food per food guide serving. Examples of one serving of grain products from Canada's Food Guide are shown below. Canada's Food Guide recommends that teens have 6 or 7 food guide servings of grain products per day. So your grain products that we're looking at here provide you with your carbohydrate. And we learned earlier that that includes sugars and your fiber. And that those are the sugars as carbohydrate are your short-term energy storage. Here we've got information that states the serving size tells you whether the information is suggesting 1 slice of bread, 2 slices of bread, or more. So a serving size of grain here is 1 slice of bread, a half a bagel, a half a pita or tortilla, 125 milliliters, or a half a cup of cooked rice, bulgur or quinoa, cereal, that's about half a cup of cooked cereal, or a half a cup of couscous, or 125 milliliters. Those are hard to read. Anyway, so let's look at a question that relates to this. So we've got a half cup of cooked pasta or rice, representing 1 food guide serving. They want to know how much cooked pasta or rice would be in 2 food guide servings. So we're looking at 2 food guide servings, so we're going to take that number of servings and we're going to multiply it by what 1 serving size is. So we just read in the introduction that 1/2 of a cup is a serving size. So in 2 food guide servings, we're going to have 1 cup of pasta or 1 cup of rice. So you need to know that, right? Because if you eat a cup of rice, well, you're actually having 2 food guide servings. And you know from up here, you only need 6 or 7 a day. Okay, let's look at question B. Measure out 2 food guide servings of cooked pasta or rice using paper clips. Is this the volume of pasta or rice you usually eat? Explain. Blech.